Hey, I just wanted to come in real quick and show you how to whitelist an email. If you know that you are looking forward to getting emails from someone like me about an event that's coming up and you don't want them to get lost in your promotions or updates tab, because sometimes, I don't know if you use Google, which I do, sometimes they don't put them in the right tabs and you really want them to come into your primary. So there is a very quick way to whitelist your emails, and I'm going to show you how to do that. All right. Oops, I did the wrong thing. Hold on one second. All right. So you can see here, I don't have anything in my primary except for my test email that's coming up. But if I look over in my updates, still not there. And in my promotions, I can see it right here. So it's really simple. All you do is you click on it and then you drag it over into primary. And then any other email that comes in from me will be whitelisted and come into your primary inbox. So that way you don't miss out on any of the important information coming up, or any of the free offerings or trainings or all of the wonderful stuff that is in store for you. All right. Hope this helped. Bye.